Mila och gad. The word cad, which is 100, is going to either show up as ched or gad, depending on what number's in front of it. That's one of the funny things about Irish counting, is that numbers 1 through 6 put shevu on the following word, and numbers 7, 8, and 9 put uru on them. So 400 was carached, but 800 is och gad. So 200 would be rached, 300 would be triched, 400 is carached, 500 is kuighed, 600 sheched, and then you have shacht gad, ocht gad, nighed. Okay? But we'll get into more of this as needed, or we'll just mention it as we go. Oh, you'll find out in a second. Okay. So 1800 is just Mila och gad, which is 1800. Mila och gad. Okay. 1848 would be och jag dachad hocht. So that's 18, 40, and 8. Och jag dachad hocht. So 1900 Mila niged. 1914 would be nijeg as a carajeg. So 19 and 14. Okay, nijeg is a carajeg. 1929 would be nijeg ficha ani. So just 19, 20, and 9. Or 29. Okay. 1984 nijeg ochto kaher. 2000 is Ravila. It's 2000s. And 2007, Ravila is Shach. Okay? So those are the years. So let's try doing a few years instead of missing any. Okay, so let's do a few years. We'll do some. Okay, so it'll be this one. So you want to break it in half, so. Whoa. It's a shachjeg. It's a shachjeg. So nijeg is shachjeg. Okay. How about? Nijeg is a hochjeg. Okay. Okay. Yeah, och is truffle. Okay. Yeah. How about that one? Ochteg truffle tree. Yeah. Ochteg is truffle tree. Okay.
No, it isn't.
1832.
Yeah. Okay.
It's my great grandfather's birthday.
Gavila is a tree. Okay, so the little guides down there should help you kind of figure out where to stick other numbers in there, okay? Okay, Gavila is a tree. Okay, let me pass these around while we do a couple more of these. So. Over here. Okay. How about how about this one?
A tree.
Shachjeg octo tree. Yeah. Shachjeg octo a tree. Yeah. Octo a tree. So Shachjeg 17, octo a tree 3. Okay.
We don't say Issa?
Yeah, you put the Issa when you have like a teen on it. So that's why I kind of I'll put a few years in there so we kind of get to know when you put them and when you don't. Okay.
Colleen?
See, there's
Shade Jerry,
Rogan Steel and Mali Ashakir.
Shejeg Dachid, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you put the is when you have a single number or a team, okay?
How does
Shejeg Dachid, so 16.
There is no is or al.
Right, so the us go in when you have basically a unit on there, like a 1 through 9, okay? The is's go on there when you're basically 10 through 20, I think is, yeah.
so?
Yeah, you can say Shejeg is Dachid actually, those go when you don't have the, yeah, so Shejeg is Dachid you would say, or okay?
So 2003 is
Ravila.
Damila, and then what's the 3?
Oh, sorry, Ravila is the tree.
So it is a 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it tree?
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, where did I put one of these? Okay. What I'm giving you here is a reading passage without any English on it. We're going to just work through it and try and figure out what's going on in here. Okay. So I'll read the sentence and I'll try to break it up. So first of all, Rogu and Phila imala ahaklia savlian ochjeg shaska akuig.
Rogan.
So what did, okay, it was born. Someone was born in Dublin in 1865. Okay. In the year 1865. Okay. Bas sligach the windshield of water.
Something about his mother. Is
Okay.
that Sligo?
Sligo it is.
Sligo was buried, was born, well,
Okay.
with his mother.
Okay, we'll get to that later then. Okay.
His mother's people.
Okay, his mother's people. Or Sligo, there we go. Okay.
What's a fila, poet?
Butcher is a
Poet,
teacher.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
Sligo was
That's number 3.
the teacher mother.
Baglidor a ahur agus egoma as ach jairishe as an ngaram show convey in a fainter lawn I'm sure.
Oh, sure.
Okay, so how about Baglidor a ahur?
Father, his son.
Something about his father. Agus egoma as. Okay, something well. Okay. Ach jairishe as an ngaram show.
She rose from something.
Okay. Convey in a fainter lawn I'm sure. Okay, that's a good a good catch.
Or to be a painter.
Something about painter. Okay.
Serving an apprenticeship or something.
Okay. All right. We'll pick it up later. Okay. Number 4. Vi chlan ahogar lesh gosasana aich ahui William skull.
Went to England. His
Okay.
family went to England.
Family
His
and
clan or
children.
family.
Okay.
They
Right.
were slaves for the
English.
school.
England.
Hui.
William went to school.
Okay. William went to school. Okay. Number 5. Vi an ugnas eran shin agus nireb fui na harish ach fila chligach.
Liga.
Okay, something about Sligo. Okay. You might not know too many of the words in there. Actually. Yeah, it's rather. Yeah, this is a rather awkward expression, so we'll probably have to explain this one. But okay, number 6. Fuiera began the winter Yeats Phila Erin Kiala Aragage, and there's a typo in there, but Phila should have an H after the D. Actually, there's 2 typos in there. I think the computer was changing the words on me because it kept sticking accents on things that I didn't want them on.
Something about money or silver.
Yeah, the word Phila should have been in there. Should be Filleadh without any accent on it. Yeah, that was not my fault. The computer got me there. But anyways, so Fuiera began the winter Yeats Phila Erin Kiala Aragage.
And had to go to Ireland to make money?
Okay, we got some words there. Okay. Okay, number 7. Actually, not too bad to mention it. Okay, number 7. Viconi orhu man eder agus buyan arinya WB Yeats Gian Wakanot. Renia should be R-I-N-N-E.
Connie's, that's where you.
That's where you live, I guess, by now there is, not Holt.
Yeah, it's Hoth.
Yeah, he lived in Holt.
Yeah,
And-
okay,
Where
probably
is that without